Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to install iOS 14.5 beta 2 on iPhone and iPad. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the Safari app. Type where beta.apple.com. Tap Go. Scroll down. Tap Sign Up. Enter your Apple ID. Enter your password. Enter your two-factor code. Tap Trusted. Scroll down. Tap Enroll your iOS device. Tap Download Profile. Tap Allow. Then go back home screen. Open the Setting app on your iPhone. Tap Profile Download. Tap Install. Again install. Tap Not Now. Tap Done. Go back software update. Check your software update. iOS 14.5 public beta 2. Tap download and install. Thanks for watching this video.